Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this CoQ10 supplement from Doctor's Best Supplements. So I began taking CoQ10 almost a year ago to help relieve the symptoms of PCOS. CoQ10 can help support heart function and energy levels. So it's supposed to assist your body when you are making energy. And since taking this supplement, I have definitely noticed a lack of lethargy. Like, taking this doesn't give like the kind of caffeine boost kind of energy. Rather, I feel like I have normal, steady amount of energy throughout the day. And before taking this with PCOS, I had a lot of exhaustion throughout the day. The pill is small and easy to swallow, and this bottle lasts me about 2 months. And I purchased from Doctor's Best because it came up as a trusted brand for supplements in my research. I've always had a good experience when purchasing the supplement on Amazon, so now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.